Haugen, and I am the program director and also a coach for Altru's Weight Management and HMR program. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I'd like to talk to you about how the HMR program works and what's possible for you if you join. Hundreds of thousands of people have discovered that HMR offers a powerful yet simple approach to losing weight and keeping it off. And we hope that you decide that HMR is right for you also. When working with our team, you'll be working with a group of passionate, caring people who are truly committed to helping you reach your goals, whatever they may be. Our comprehensive team here at Altru consists of our medical provider, 2 RNs, and 3 health coaches. Our medical director, Dr. McCarrum, has seen how our program has changed the lives of his patients and continues to promote our program as a way for them to see long-term success through lifestyle change. Jenny Hayes is our medical provider for our weight management program. She shares a passion for helping her patients lose weight and has completed her master's thesis in weight management. Melissa Gilmore and Sarah Racier are registered nurses who have completed HMR training and have been a part of our program since its beginning. Together, they bring over 15 years of experience in caring for our patients. Rachel Oury is one of our HMR coaches and has over 20 years of experience as an exercise physiologist and health and wellness coach. She has a passion for helping her patients succeed and challenges them to push beyond their comfort zone to achieve their goals. Samantha Rongstead is one of our HMR coaches and a registered dietitian. Her experience working with the VA MOVE program during her undergraduate internship has inspired her to continue her work in weight management. As I mentioned, I am also one of the HMR coaches. I have over 19 years of experience as a registered dietitian with over 10 years in the weight management and wellness field. What I love most about the HMR program is that I'm able to help my patients realize their goals without following a restrictive diet. I'm sure you have reasons for losing weight that are very important to you. And joining a serious weight loss program is a big decision. So as you watch this video, I'd ask you to consider, what are your reasons for wanting to lose weight? First, HMR takes the guesswork out of losing weight, which makes it easier to stick with your plan. Second, the program is designed to help you lose weight quickly and keep the weight loss going without having to be hungry. As you know, staying motivated is so important. And third, as you're losing weight, you'll start to practice the very skills that will help you manage your weight and your health long term. We know that losing weight is hard to do, but you can do it, and we'll support you every step of the way. Your success really is our top priority. There are 3 phases to the program. Phase 1 is highly structured. There's a specific food plan that you will stick to using HMR foods like great tasting shakes and HMR entrees, so you don't have to think about what you should or shouldn't be eating. This helps you lose weight more quickly, which is really motivating. But even with its high level of structure, you never have to be hungry or bored. This is a big part of what helps keep your weight loss going. You can actually be full and satisfied when you're losing weight. And if you've tried other diets that have left you feeling hungry or deprived, we think this will be a much better experience for you. So that's phase 1, the weight loss phase, where you use HMR foods as a key tool to lose weight quickly. Now you may be wondering, will I be using only HMR foods forever? Not at all. That's where phase 2 of the program comes in. Phase 2 teaches you to expand your skills with a wider variety of healthy foods such as lean proteins, lots of fruits and vegetables, and whole grains to manage your weight and health over the long term. Many people think of diets as a short-term solution. And if you go back to the way you were eating before, well, that's how you gain weight. So that's why phase 2 is so important. It supports you to keep practicing healthier skills to help you keep your weight off through the inevitable challenges of everyday life. So it's really both phases that are important to your success. And finally, we have phase 3. Ultimately, our goal is to help you self-manage your weight on your own with HMR as a support whenever or if you need it. Now, in order to get a quick start and keep it going, it's important to embrace the full structure of phase 1. By that, I mean making the decision to do the diet 100% of the time. No cheat days, no substitutions. And here's why. When you make a commitment to do this program by the book, you actually eliminate much of the anxiety that comes along with trying to make all the right decisions about what to eat. And when people get on a roll with the program, they actually say it's really easy. There's no guesswork about what you can eat. That alone makes it easier. Plus, you're losing more weight and getting to your goal sooner, and fast weight loss, which is so motivating. And remember, phase 1 is time limited, so make the decision to do the diet 100%. It's the quickest and easiest way to get to your goals. We see patients all of the time get extraordinary results, short and long term, when they work with us to follow the program. Here are many of the many examples from our program here at Altru. This is Lynette. Lynette began her HMR journey on January 30th of 2021 after hearing about the program through her sister. She stated, "I needed to get healthy, and Rachel, my HMR coach, gave me the motivation to start." Lynette had tried several other programs prior to HMR, but what she found different was the structure it provided, along with being able to enjoy all the fruits and vegetables she could eat. Her favorite parts about the program include the quick success, accountability, Coach Rachel, and weekly meetings with others, sharing their successes and recipes. Since beginning her journey, Lynette has lost over 30 pounds, along with multiple inches. She went from a size 12 to 14 to a size 10. When asked what she would tell others who may be considering the program, here is what she said. "Join now, don't wait. You will never regret your decision to get healthy." And the best part of HMR is that they prepare you for a lifetime of health with phase 2. After you lose weight, learning to maintain your success is of the utmost importance. I have found that what works for me, and that is keeping HMR foods on hand for low-calorie days. Our next program success story is John. John began his HMR journey in July of 2019 after discussing the program with his primary care physician, Dr. McCarran. His decision to join the program was motivated both by his health and his kids. He had tried other programs in the past, but had always gained back his weight. He discussed the program options with Coach Rachel. Because of the distance from home to Grand Forks, Rachel recommended the HMR at Home program. John's favorite parts of the program, including the coaching, the ease of ordering supplies, and the fact that he was never hungry. The HMR program promotes a more is better concept and encourages all forms of fruits and vegetables. Through the HMR at Home program, John lost 223 pounds and has been able to maintain his weight and loves to share his story. One of his challenges he overcame during his HMR journey was making time for physical activity. He was able to problem solve around the seasons of the year by taking up snowshoeing in the winter months. John would tell patients looking to join the program, follow the program, stay in the box, and get in your PA. Enjoy the more is better approach, and you will succeed. You may know that HMR received the #1 ranking this year for best fast weight loss in the US News and World Report diet rankings for the 6th year in a row. This is a big deal, and we're very proud of that award. So let's look more closely at how to achieve the fast weight loss in phase 1. There are 2 different diet plans that you can choose from. First is our decision-free plan. It's our more structured option and is made up of HMR foods exclusively: shakes, entrees, soup, hot cereal, and nutrition bars, no other foods. This plan produces the greatest weight loss because it has the fewest calories. It's also the most structured and therefore requires the fewest food decisions. The decision-free plan includes different levels of medical supervision depending on your needs. The other option is our Healthy Solutions Plan, which includes HMR foods along with added vegetables and fruits. This plan is also highly structured and available in all of our locations. Both plans are great options for weight loss, and we'll work with you to decide which one is right for you. Now, in terms of the food, I think you're going to find that our food is really delicious. You can blend a rich and filling vanilla or chocolate shake or make countless other flavors using quick and simple recipes. You can enjoy the shakes made as a rich pudding or a soft serve ice cream, or you can start your day with a hot multigrain cereal or even use it as an afternoon snack. And on the Healthy Solutions Plan, you can whip up amazing fruit smoothies. The variety is almost endless. And the HMR entrees are delicious too. They help you create filling, satisfying meals in 2 minutes or less. Whether you're enjoying an entree by itself, combining 2 different entrees for a new recipe, or again, on the Healthy Solutions, adding countless variety of vegetables. So while the diet plans are structured to make it easy to follow, they also give you a ton of variety to help you stick with it. Here's an example of what a day on each diet with minimums can look like. Now, based on the plan you choose, you'll need to eat a specific number of HMR foods each day. We call this your minimum prescription, and it will provide 100% of your daily nutritional needs. And you'll purchase these foods in the clinic every week when you go to your class. Another feature of the diet is it can help you lose a lot of weight, and it's designed so that you never have to feel hungry or deprived. Because if you're hungry, you're more likely to go off the diet. HMR foods give you a lot to eat for very few calories. So if you're hungry, you can actually eat more, a lot, and still lose weight. We'd like to say that with our program, you'll always have something you can say yes to, whether you're hungry or just wanting something to eat. For example, look how much you can eat at breakfast for fewer calories than a single muffin. You can have 2 blended shakes and our multigrain cereal. That's 32 ounces of food, 2 pounds, for only 480 calories. Compare that with 1 coffee cake muffin, which is 5 ounces, but 590 calories. HMR basically gives you 6 times as much food for fewer calories. And if you're on the Healthy Solutions diet, you can even add a serving of fruit and still be eating fewer calories. This is a great example of why you can eat as many HMR foods as you need to stay on the diet and still lose a lot of weight. Okay, let's shift gears now and talk about physical activity. Of all the lifestyle changes you'll be making in this program, physical activity is the most important one for your health, and it can help you lose more weight quickly and keep off more weight over time. Now, by physical activity, we mean moving your body through space, and any type of movement counts. In fact, walking is the most popular activity in the program. So when you begin, you'll start tracking your physical activity every day, and we'll support you to find activities you like and even help you find ways to build them into your lifestyle for long term. So now that you have a sense of things you'll be working on in the program and how we make the task of weight loss and healthy eating as simple as possible, I'd like to now review the support you'll get in the program and what you need to do to take full advantage of that support. There's one commitment we'll ask you to keep: weekly attendance. We know weight loss can be hard, so the more consistently you attend, the better you'll do. Given that, we ask that you attend your coaching session every week. Working with your coach and group weigh-in and week out gives you the support and accountability most people need to stay on track. And if you've had a tough week, the best way to turn it around is to attend your coaching session. The HMR staff can make all the difference in helping you to reach your goal. So we'll ask you to commit to being in your group every week. I hope now you're getting a real sense of how much support our program provides through weekly classes and customized coaching support. all for about $25 a week. And don't forget all of the other resources you'll get, including individual support from your health coach, the HMR app, all of the online resources, including articles written by HMR coaches, new recipes, and access to HMR's national community. If you're on the decision-free diet and are receiving medical supervision, the cost is determined by a number of things, including your weight and medical history. There also are periodic lab tests that are extra. Some of this may be covered by your insurance, and medical costs tend to reduce over time. For the healthy solutions, there are no ongoing medical costs unless you're taking medications that may require medical supervision. Before you start the in-person program, you'll have an initial evaluation. For decision-free or those on healthy solutions requiring medical monitoring, it entails a comprehensive medical screening and evaluation from our program provider. Now the other cost in the program is your food. Every week you'll need to purchase enough HMR foods to meet your diet plan minimums and get 100% of the nutrition you need to lose weight safely. So the food cost is about $100 a week, and that can vary a little depending on the diet plan you choose. And for the Healthy Solutions plan, you'll also be buying fruits and vegetables. The good news, though, is that the cost of HMR foods replaces much of what you may be currently spending on food. As you're losing weight, you'll be taking a time out from purchasing certain groceries, as well as what you might spend outside of the home, including snacks, restaurants, ordering takeout. Those costs can really add up, so people generally find that their food budget is very close to, if not the same, as to what they're already spending on food. Lastly, we don't want finances to prohibit you from joining Altru's weight management and HMR program. So Altru does offer financial assistance to those who qualify. As you choose a diet plan, the most important thing to choose is to choose the option that you know will work best for you to lose the amount of weight you want to lose and improve your quality of life. Other benefits to consider: all in all, we think our program is a pretty great value, and I think you'll find the cost of the program is well worth it, especially when you consider how much weight you can lose, potential savings if you come off medications, and most importantly, the quality of life improvements that often come pretty quickly once you start. Our goal is to work closely with you in our clinic with the full support of our staff. It is important to know that the clinic program offers more structure and support, therefore more weight loss. If you have more than 40 or 50 pounds to lose, we strongly encourage you to take advantage of that extra support. However, if you know you can't make the commitment, we offer HMR at Home in partnership with HMR's national team of health coaches and program specialists. It uses the same Healthy Solutions diet plan I reviewed earlier. Again, the simplicity and the structure of the Healthy Solutions diet makes it much easier to stick with and lose weight than something that's more complicated. You can do the at-home program either entirely on your own with the digital coaching from the HMR app, or as I mentioned, you can sign up for weekly group coaching on the phone. With this program, your HMR foods are shipped automatically by HMR to your home. The weekly phone coaching for HMR at Home is included in the cost of your HMR foods. You will want to check with your healthcare provider just as you should before starting any weight loss program. This is especially true if you are taking medications or have a condition that could be affected by diet or increase in physical activity. So to summarize, there's so much you can achieve by following this program. You can lose a lot of weight quickly, and you don't have to feel deprived while you're doing it. But as you know, this is about more than just weight loss. Think back to the reasons you have for wanting to lose weight. We want to help you meet your goals. Your day-to-day quality of life and overall health are related to your lifestyle. And along with the weight loss, the healthy lifestyle changes we work on here lead to improvements pretty quickly. More energy, easier movement, better sleep, less pain, more self-confidence, even how you feel in your own clothes. We know it can be a major decision to go into a highly structured program like this, but let us help you. With the HMR program, you can achieve weight and health goals you're looking for. We have scheduled time for a follow-up conversation with you at your initial consultation. If you have questions before that time, please reach out to us. We want to support you to make the best decision to achieve the weight and health goals you're looking for, and we'd love the opportunity to work with you to get there. Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, reach out to us if you have any questions prior to your initial consultation appointment.